How to fix the selected disk has an MBR partition table. 1. Disable EFI boot sources in your BIOS. 2. Convert MBR partition to GPT. Hint, here are the steps on how to run Diskpart to format a disk. 0. Backup or move your personal data on the affected disk. 1. Run the Diskpart command in command prompt section under advanced Windows safe mode. 2. Type Diskpart and press enter. 3. Type list disk and press enter. This will list all of the disks that are connected. 4. Type select disk number and press enter, where number is the number of the disk that you want to convert. 5. Type clean and press enter. This will erase all of the data on the disk. 6. Type create partition primary and press enter. This will create a primary partition on the disk. 7. Type convert GPT and press enter. 8. Type exit and press enter. This will exit Diskpart. 9. Continue with your install of Windows.